All right, guys, you seen the title in the thumbnail, and you already know it's always a good day when we got the wings on the menu. I'm gonna show you guys how to make these delicious Coca-Cola wings. You're gonna love it. Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, guys, let's do a quick rundown of today's recipe. Not many ingredients, but definitely delicious because we own them wings. Back here we have our chicken wings, green onions, have our Coca-Cola here, black pepper, dark soy sauce, regular soy sauce, salt, and we have some Medellin wine here. So, I think that's how you say it, Medellin or Marine wine. It doesn't matter. Y'all know what I'm talking about. If not, check the website, ijustcookalot.com. All the ingredients will be there and the full step-by-step recipe. So guys, that's all we need. Let's get to it. All right, to get started, we're gonna season our chicken with our salt and our pepper. And we're just gonna go ahead and get this mixed up. All right, pretty simple. Now let's move over to our stove. All right, to get started, we're gonna heat up some olive oil. And we wanna make sure we get this baby hot. All right, so once that pan heats up, we're gonna add our chicken. I start with skin side down. And we're gonna let these cook for about 5 to 6 minutes per side. All right, so after about 5 minutes, we're gonna flip these babies over. Wanna make sure we got a golden brown crust. All right, we're gonna let these babies cook for another 5 to 6 minutes. All right, guys, so we're 6 minutes in on this side. So what I'm gonna do, I want my skin a little bit more crispy than this, so I'm gonna turn these back over just for a minute. I turned that heat up just a little bit, so hopefully I can get that skin crispy like I want it. Y'all see I got that side pretty crisp. You know, we gotta have that crispy skin on that flat, on them flats. We just got to. So I sit it there for a couple more minutes. So after about a couple of more minutes, as you can see, we got that skin a little bit more crispy than we had it before, which is great. That's how we want it. Now we're gonna go in with our Coca-Cola. Our soy sauce. That was our regular soy sauce. This is our dark soy sauce and our Medellin wine. Again, I hope I'm saying that right. We're gonna add our green onions. We're gonna reduce our heat to a simmer, and we're gonna let that baby simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. And during that process, that sauce is gonna reduce and thicken, all right? So 15 to 20 minutes. All right, so we're about 20 minutes in. We're gonna give this baby a quick stir. Just wanna make sure those wings you coat those wings with that sauce. I'm gonna let it go a little bit longer, maybe a couple more minutes, let that sauce reduce just a little bit more. All right, so we're good right here. As you can see, our sauce has reduced. It thickened up, it's coating our wings like we want it. So now we're just gonna go ahead and remove all our green onions. We don't need those anymore. All right, so now we're gonna turn off our heat. We're gonna head over to our cutting board, take our final look, and then jump into quality control. All right, so now we're at our cutting board. Let's take a look at one of our wings right here. Guys, take a look at this right here. That Coca-Cola wing, man, that baby, I think that's the one that I'm gonna try out right there. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take some green onions, not the same ones I took out, onions just for garnishment. That's it. In the other case, I probably wouldn't add them because we just took them out, but even though those were cooked, we're just gonna add some green onions here. You know how that is. You know, we always gotta make our dishes look a little pretty. And there you have it, Coca-Cola chicken wings. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. We're gonna go ahead and jump into quality control so we can do a quick taste test. All right, so it's quality control time. I just picked one up out the pot. I don't have it plated up or nothing, but I'm gonna show you this baby right here. Take a look at that. Man, let's go ahead and get this baby a taste test. Oh man, tender. Oh man, seasoned to perfection. Oh man. Oh man. Let's get one of these drums. Oh man, fire. Listen guys, that baby is so Coca-Cola-y. Hey, you definitely want to add this to your appetizer list from AWE, all wings, everything. You baby delicious. And I gotta get back over here to them. Man, I may eat that whole pan full. So until then, y'all already know who I am. This is all wings, everything. And remember, him not a chef. Him just cook a lot. And he own them wings for sure. And now I'm out. Peace.